So philosophers have this idea of the passionate mind. No, sorry. Different talk. That's it. So this idea of the extended mind. And that's this idea that your mind isn't just confined within your skull, that actually extends outwards. And that there are aspects of the environment that function as part of your mind. Your tablet, for example, your phone, your notebook. These serve cognitive functions. And the environment and your mind are coupled together. Your mind extends. I think there's a more general point here. Our psychological health is just bound up with the environment we're in. How you feel now depends on where you are. And that's really also the case about psychological ill health. It's inseparable from the environment. So if your fear of heights is going near heights, the problem, you have problems with alcohol, it's resisting the urging or craving that can be provoked from the environment. If you've had a car accident, PTSD, then getting on roads can be difficult. And if you're feeling socially anxious or mistrustful or paranoid, getting around other people is difficult.